Hey guys, Barkat here. Welcome to this new video. This is lesson 2 of Google Ads course 2024, and in this video I am going to cover things you need before set up or launch your campaign, especially the search campaign. And I believe that you watched my previous lessons, lesson 1, where I covered how to set up the Google Ads account properly, like why should people or why should business owners run Google Ads for their business to grow their business, right? So let's get started on the lesson 2. So to run a Google Ads campaign properly, especially search campaign, you just need few things. First thing first, you just need a Google Ads account with proper setup, which I previously showed you on the lesson 1 video. And you just need a landing page to send traffic, and this landing page lesson I will cover on the lesson 4. So just stick with this video and stick with whole course, so you will get everything from this course. Don't worry about this. And third one is Google Tag Manager access. To track your conversions properly, you will need Google Tag Manager access, or if you don't want to use Google Tag Manager, so it's fine, it's totally up to you. But I will show you in this course how you can track easily all your conversions and phone calls using Google Tag Managers and CRM Access. And you also need the CRM Access if they have. That means, if you are working with a client, you are freelancer or you are agency, or you are working with the agency as a media buyer, so if they have any CRM, so you will need the CRM access to make landing page. Or if they don't have any CRM, or maybe if you are a real local business owner, you don't have any CRM, I think website is fine. Let's say people are making their websites in different platform, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, there are lots of actually. So yeah, it doesn't matter actually where they are hosting or which CRM they are typically using to make their websites live. So CRM and website access, these two things will need it only for the landing page purpose. And the last thing is tracking numbers. Let's say if you are using any type of CRM, so basically I am using two CRM, one is WordConvert and one is Go High Level. So, and I always use tracking number to track all of my clients' calls, so that I can hear the phone recording to judge the lead quality, so that I can talk with my client and I can send a good reporting, in terms of Google Ads, so that they are making enough or they are making good amount of money from the Google Ads. So here are the all things you need before run your Google Ads. So, and I recorded one more video like how to onboard Google Ads client easily, and I also showed my onboarding checklist on that video. So here you can see this is the video link, and I also link this video on my descriptions, and I also pin this video link on my first comment especially, so that you can check how you can onboard Google Ads client easily. And trust me, if you follow my onboarding video, you will get like everything in one place. I think after watching my onboarding video, you will have all things in one place. So yeah, that's all from the lesson 2, and I will see you in the lesson 3. Have a great day. Bye bye.